Actually got this back together. Man, it's playing great. Feels so smooth, nice and clean. The whole bore, whole body tube's clean. Wiped out all the keys. Regulated all the pads. Put a couple of new ones in there, but they were old and crusty. And man, it feels so good. Check it out.